Upgrading your home with a new door can instantly boost curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and enhance security. For West Jordan homeowners, hiring a professional for door installation ensures the job is done right the first time, without the headaches of a DIY attempt. Understanding what to expect during the process can help you feel confident and prepared for the transformation. Initial consultation and door selection. Your journey begins with a consultation. A professional installer will visit your home to measure the doorway, evaluate the frame's condition, and discuss your needs. They'll consider factors like climate suitability. West Jordan's seasonal temperature changes mean your door should be well insulated. Security features, reinforced locks, deadbolts, and durable materials for better protection. Aesthetic preferences, styles and finishes that complement your home's architecture. You'll also get expert guidance on materials, such as steel, fiberglass, or solid wood, along with color and hardware options. Pre-installation preparation. Before installation day, the team will confirm all measurements, order your custom or pre-made door, and schedule a time that works for you. They'll also provide instructions for preparing your home, which may include clearing furniture or decor near the doorway, ensuring pets and children are kept safely away from the work area, removing storm doors or screen doors if applicable, removal of the old door. On installation day, the process starts with removing the existing door and frame, if it's being replaced. Professionals will carefully detach the door from its hinges. Remove the old frame, trim, and threshold if necessary. Inspect the rough opening for damage, rot, or warping that could affect the new installation. This step is crucial. Any structural issues will be addressed before moving forward to ensure the new door fits perfectly and operates smoothly. Installation of the new door. The installer will position the new frame, ensuring it's level and plumb, and then secure it in place. Steps include adding weatherproofing materials, like flashing tape and sealant, to prevent drafts and moisture infiltration. Installing the door slab into the frame and attaching hinges. Checking the door's swing, latch alignment, and overall operation. For added energy efficiency, they'll ensure a tight seal around the edges to keep out dust, pollen, and outside air. Hardware and finishing touches. Next, the installer will add the hardware, handles, locks, and deadbolts, making sure everything works flawlessly. If your door has glass panels, they'll inspect for secure installation and a clean finish. Trim and molding will be reattached or replaced for a polished look, and the threshold will be sealed for weather resistance. Final inspection and cleanup. A quality professional won't leave until you're fully satisfied. They'll test the door's function, ensure smooth operation, and confirm the weather seal is intact. Finally, they'll clean up all debris, leaving your entryway spotless. Many companies also offer a warranty for both the product and installation, so be sure to ask about coverage details. Enjoy the benefits. Once your new door is in place, you'll notice immediate improvements in curb appeal. A stylish, modern entryway enhances your home's exterior. Comfort. Better insulation means fewer drafts and more stable indoor temperatures. Security. Stronger materials and hardware give peace of mind. Final tip. Choosing a local West Jordan door installation professional ensures they understand the area's climate and style preferences, giving you a result that's both beautiful and functional for years to come.